Welcome. This is a short video for you. You want to learn palm muting. So I just want to take my time to do the palm muting for you. It's very simple. Palm muting, you can do it at any at the okay. So like that is Lumber song you just sent me is F major, and like I said, you can do the palm muting at any key you want. If you know the chord progressions of the song you are playing, it's very simple. Just a matter of not holding the chord very hard. So also string in the then dia and your boy bed. Okay, but if you hold it very softly, not hard, and then you like that. Okay, so the only technique is don't hold the chord like you always used to. Just like very flexible. So muka crave from start to so keke. Okay, that is the technique. Brofon dosu. Me say, and so in so called no den to say ye bo ordinary rhythm now. So we need my somo den and I may but my left hand no me sabin kun media some boko min so mo den so to the basa so some boko sadia oba and only palm muting, you know. Ebi nso kire se obetimi de unsa nifa no ato ha sei obeso mu dendende wa ha na eme wo de unsa nifa no aha no ebeto ha ne sei so na but this one, it doesn't work for me. It works for some people, but media it doesn't work for me. So me technique I beta use ni say me sumu kese. Okay, so I think this is very simple for me. Okay, this is the palm muting you are requesting for. Sumu dende usumu dende ni auba bedin bebadin. Ana I don't know the kind of guitar you are using. Ubet me the high on say high so na ode ato high so na ode muting. Something like that. When I made it, I say me had it doesn't work for me. Me had it doesn't work for me. It's me you should say me so mu say ya me so mu den se be ya so me nya sa mute na me hwehwe no so nti minia say de o hwehwe no say o pa won so try we either say we use we palm no and I say we be so mu very soft. Okay, we need palm muting now. Me used to. This is what I used to play palm muting. Intimia, you can try. And so more than sumu boko. I hope it is very clear for you. Nti ye be san share won't be bia se a wobetimi abusa na mahwese metimi akyekyerew mu a